Hello, myself Dr. Vaishali Shakar. I am a practicing consultant ENT surgeon based in Kolkata. I came to the aesthetic clinic by knowing from various Facebook as well as Instagram, knowing about Sir Dr. Debraj So, who does a lot of aesthetic works. Here we did the fellowship course of 3 days. It is really very helpful. It includes Botox, fillers, chemical pills, and a lot more to learn. We are given hands-on and we are trained in a very professional way. Thank you, Dr. Debraj sir, Rinki, Madam, and the whole team.